welcome to my YouTube channel at Dance with Anne Leslie, where today I'm going to do the demo for Turn That Town. This is done by Spencer Hatcher. It is a very fun dance choreographed by Maddison and Joe Thompson Szymanski. It's just a high beginner dance with 32 counts, 2 restarts and an easy little tag. The introduction is 32 counts, so I will switch it on now. It's quite a long one. There we have it. It's a fun song, fun to sing to as well. Well, if you've enjoyed my video, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will be posting the tutorial to this dance. Bye, have a lovely day.